Welcome back to Greener Granaries. Today we are going to prepare some pancakes for our breakfasts. These pancakes are simple. You are going to use very simple ingredients, as you will see in the video. Right there I've begun with some eggs. So we are going to have eggs, carrots, milk. Basically those are the things that we are going to use to prepare this pancake. Then we are going to have salt and of course sugar. Sugar just put to taste. I didn't measure in any way, but you can use what you think is enough. So let's go ahead and whisk all this, after which we are going to pour in our warm milk. If you don't have milk, or if you don't take milk, you can use water or any other liquid of your choice. You're not limited to milk. Stir everything well. Then something to mention is we are going to use this margarine. It is what is going to make our pancakes crunchy. Yes, they're going to be soft and crunchy. Believe me, these pancakes are going to be crunchy. So melt the margarine, then you pour into your mixture. Once you've mixed everything in well, then you'll go in with your all-purpose flour. If you have pancake flour, well and good, but in this case I'm using all-purpose flour and it serves the purpose very well. So once you've gotten everything in well, mix. Don't worry about the lumps. At the end of it, it's okay to still have some little lumps in the mixture. So just mix as much as you can. Just mix as much as you can. If there are some little lumps still left, it's okay. But make it as smooth as possible. And at this point, we are going to grate in our carrots. One thing I almost forgot to put in our baking powder, but we are going to put it in, as you'll see. So let's grate our carrots. These pancakes are very nutritious, very nutritious. Other than being crunchy, sweet, delicious, they're very nutritious. And mark you, this is a very budget-friendly breakfast idea you can consider. It's very heavy in protein, keeping you full for a long time. And especially good for your little one also. The little one that you're remaining with at home, or the ones going to school. Good for them. So at this point, let's add in the baking powder. I almost forgot it. And it's a key ingredient in this recipe. So let's add it in. Again, I didn't measure, but you can use a spoon to measure. the exact amount that you'd like. So mix in everything well. I think from this point on, I'm not going to do the talking now, because it's now straightforward. What you're going to do is the cooking. So sit back and enjoy the very quiet cooking of our crunchy pancakes. These you can take with tea or even lemon juice or any juice of your choice. It's a snack, a good breakfast that you can take. So let's begin cooking. Please, before I go away in the talking, kindly make sure you subscribe and engage in the comments, please. It helps me a lot. Thank you.